Hi, good morning. My name is Dr. Surekha Tiwari. I'm a practicing homeopath and a psychological counselor. I have two clinics, one in HSR layout and the other is in AECS layout. Coronavirus became infamous because Corona is a very old family of viruses. But this particular COVID version, COVID-19 as it is called, became infamous because this particular virus could mutate very fast. For mutation, it needs to be in a place for some time and find a host. Now, things like tabletops, things like towels, things like bedsheets, things like any surfaces, they can generally have the virus on for as long as 9 days. Depending on how well the area is ventilated, depending on how much we are able to maintain hygiene, depending on how much we're not able to touch surfaces or we're able to prevent it, where please remember again and again, the virus needs a host. If we don't give it the host, it is as good as dead. So a towel which has been used but not been sun-dried, a bedsheet which has been slept in but not brushed off, a room in which these things are kept not fumigated, not ventilated, are going to prove to be bigger villains than the towels or the things by themselves. So make sure that these things, even if they are used repeatedly, they are sun-dried, they are fumigated, if they're kept well in open areas. Then generally virus can be prevented, and again you can have all the comforts but at no risk of COVID.